Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, if fx is equal to minus 1, 0, 1 for x less than 0, x is equal to 0 and x greater than 0. So fx is equal to minus 1 for x less than 0, 0 for x is equal to 0 and 1 for x greater than 0 respectively. And gx is equal to 1 plus x minus box x, where box x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Then for all x, the value of f gx is. Now, x minus box x greater than is equal to 0 for all x. So gx would be greater than 0 for all x. So f of gx would be f of something positive, that is equal to 1. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is, the determinant x squared plus 2x, 2x plus 1, 1, 2x plus 1, x plus 2, 1, 3, 3, 1 is positive if x greater than 1, negative if x less than 1, C 0 if x is equal to 1, and option D all of these. Now let us do the transformations. R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So we get x squared plus 2x, 2x plus 1, 1. Now 2x plus 1 minus x squared minus 2x gives us 1 minus x squared. X plus 2 minus 2x minus 1 gives us 1 minus x, and this is 0. And this is 3 minus x squared minus 2x, 2 minus 2x and 0. Now R3 be R3 minus 2R2. So this is x squared plus 2x, 2x plus 1, 1, 1 minus x squared, 1 minus x, 0. This would be 0. This would be 0, and 3 minus x squared minus 2x minus 2 into 1 minus x squared, that is 3 minus x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus 2x squared gives us x squared minus 2x and plus 1, which is x minus 1 whole squared. You can also write this as 1 minus x whole squared, which gives us 1 minus x whole squared. Now expanding using these, so we'll just need this, because if we expand along this we get 0. So the value of determinant is 1 into 1 minus x into 1 minus x squared, that is 1 minus x cube. So if x is positive, then this determinant would, if x is rather greater than 1, this determinant would be positive. If x is less than 1, this would be negative, and if this is if x is 1, then c is 0. So all the options are satisfied. So option D is the correct answer. That is all of these.